What would I tell anybody getting started in life and business? Well, today I'm going to answer that question. All right, so as you get started in life, what is it that you need to know to be successful? Well, today I'm going to answer that question with 3 key points. The first point that I'm going to make is to always obtain skills. Obtain as much skills as you can. That's very, very important when you're getting started in life. And I'll give you an example. You can think about option A or option B, okay? Option A, you come out of college, you get a good job, it pays very high, but you don't obtain very many skills, okay? Then you have option B. Option B is this. Option B is an okay paying job, but you're obtaining a lot of skills. I would say always go with option B. Obtain as much skills as you can, because the problem is a lot of people think very short term. They think very short term, and they're going to get that high paying job, but they're not going to have very many skills. Long term, they're going to paint themselves in a corner. But if you gain more skill sets over a long term period, you're going to make more money. You're going to have more success if you focus on gaining more skills. All right, so the second thing that I would recommend anybody that's getting started out is to develop an attitude of gratitude. Attitude is everything, not only as you're getting started in business, but as you go throughout your career. Attitude is very important. The problem is a lot of people getting started out, they feel entitled to a certain level of achievement that they haven't even earned yet. You know, at some point we all have to go fetch somebody coffee. That's just a fact. No matter what career you choose, you're going to be asked to do something that's below you or beneath you. And sometimes that could be a test by your employer. They want to see how you react. And as you do these things that may be beneath you or below you or whatever it may be, if you have an attitude of gratitude and you're happy and you're happy-go-lucky, you know, that's really going to make a difference, because everybody else, they are going to complain and murmur and backbite and do all that stuff. But no, you're different. You're going to do something else. You're going to do it with a smile. That's the important thing. You're going to do it with a smile. No matter what it is, do it with a smile. Inwardly, yeah, you might be complaining, but you know what? It's okay. Present yourself with confidence. Present yourself as grateful. And then guess what? You're going to be given more tasks and more responsibility bigger than that. And I firmly believe this. How you do anything is how you do everything. And so if you can do a small task with a lot of happiness and a lot of emotion, guess what? You're going to be entrusted with bigger and better things. So the second thing that I recommend is definitely have an attitude of gratitude. All right, and the third point that I would make is that you should always deliver as much value as you can. If someone asks you to walk a mile, walk 2 miles. If somebody asks you to clean their car, do it as best as you can, as much as you can. Always deliver as much value. The problem is a lot of people, they want to take, right? People want to take, and they see someone that may have achieved something, or maybe a boss or employer or a guru or whatever it may be, and they always want to take away from. However, as you're getting started, add as much value as you can. That's where you really start to succeed, because as you add value, you create what is called reciprocity. The more that you give, the more you actually get back. The problem is a lot of people have that in reverse. They're trying to take as much as they can, and then they'll see what they can give, what's left over. Now, don't do that. Always make sure that you're delivering value. You know, if you have a client, if you have a sale, whatever it may be, you know, if you promise this much, deliver this much. That's very important. So the third thing is to always deliver value and deliver as much value as you can. You'll never go wrong by adding more value to people. If you like this advice, make sure you like, comment, share. Go to my website, DellDenny.com, for more practical information on how to live your best life.
Learn, lead, live to your full potential.